Hey guys and welcome back. In this video we shall see how to find out Wi-Fi password on Windows 11 computer. Now you may want to find out the password of the Wi-Fi that you are currently connected to, or you may want to find out the password of the Wi-Fi networks that you have been connected in the past. So we will see both of them. First, let's see how we can check the password of the currently connected network. So just scroll down to your taskbar and then just click on your network icon, and then from here you can see the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. So just click on this arrow, and then this is the Wi-Fi network that I'm currently connected to. So just click on properties like this, and then from here you just have to scroll down till you find this option, view Wi-Fi security key. You can just click here on view, and then you can see the password of your Wi-Fi connection. Alright, then just close it. Now let's say you want to see the password of the saved network connections. Now to do that you just have to click here on Wi-Fi. Alright, and then from here you can click here on manage known networks, and then you can choose any of the Wi-Fi network connection whose password you want to check out. So let's say I want to check out the password of this connection. So I'll just click here on this arrow like this, and then we can check out all the properties of this Wi-Fi connection, and then from here you just have to click here on view Wi-Fi security key like this, and you can check out the password of this connection as well. So that's all for this video. These are the two ways to check out the password of the current Wi-Fi connection or the saved Wi-Fi connection. So don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.